This concept of not marketing our female athletes needs to change. We need to move outside of cricket.
We're probably not marketing our sports persons that well. Why are we not doing that? What do we do?
We need to move outside of cricket. I love cricket. I watch it diligently, don't get me wrong, and I know it's close to your heart.
Yeah.
But I think there is so much more to be done outside of it. And let's take social media, for example, as your marketing tool. Tell me why. There's lots of sports marketing agencies in India, lots of them based in Bombay. Tell me why you cannot market one of your athletes on social media, create their brand, use that to get them brand deals and make them into something that you can market, right? The problem is that people are very set in the ways they do things. Virat Kohli does great on the field, which is why he can do great off the field.
Yeah.
But not everyone is a Virat Kohli. Some people you have to put out there because everyone has a story to tell. Even your most quiet athlete who might not be getting every single medal but is a fantastic athlete is marketable. You just have to show that side of them, right? For example, say like YouTubers that talk about funny videos or like are reviewing things. They found a talent, right? They found something that they're good at and they're marketing from that. Same way, you might have a track athlete or you might have a high jumper, long jumper, whatever it is. That person might be into cooking. Why don't you talk about that on social media? Give the audience something outside of their sport and they will relate. That's the way to market them. More importantly, this concept of not marketing our female athletes needs to change. I think we have such a large scope of female athletes in our country that are doing such great work. Let's take Indian cricket, female Indian cricket, for example, women's cricket. They are doing amazing. They're killing it.
Absolutely.
Tell me why they cannot be marketed just the way the men are. So I think one, it's a mindset shift. Two, let's embrace social media to be our next step in marketing athletes.
And one thing along these lines, right, you mentioned, of course, agencies taking that step, marketing sports people. I follow a couple of runners who are of course athletes, and they have so great social medias. They're not famous yet because of representing, say, India at the Olympics or winning a medal as of now. But I think having a playing sports, however little I've played, builds that connect automatically that I want to see this person working hard, right? And he's starting out. I know that he's working so hard. He'll probably do great things. But there are also people who are individually been able to do that. They're not famous yet, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
But they're building their personal brand so well. I don't recollect the name. I'll probably put it in the video.
Yeah.
That there are these people who are working really hard and have great social media presence by themselves.
Yeah.
So as a step, even for players, I think it's not could be a first step from them as well, right? Start somewhere for the agencies to probably recognize this sports person and this sports person working hard, because it's not that difficult in this age. What do you think?
I think there's something to be said also about the challenge that the agency faces.
Okay.
And the challenge is that there are a very limited number of brands that want to work with athletes in India. If I tell you about the type of brands that work in sports in the US, you'd be surprised. Everything from a sunscreen brand to their mother is trying to get into sports right now. That's something that needs to branch out, besides the usual Coca-Cola and fitness tracker type of brands. I think there's a lot of makeup brands, jewelry, handbags. So much can be done in sports that we need to embrace as a country. So I think I'd also say that from a brand perspective, your ambassadors can be more than just Bollywood celebrities. And that's what's going to help put our athletes' faces out there.
Word.
Word.
Nee, absolutely. Well said. I love the honesty and the courage you want to just speak with and tell people that, you know, this is the way to go because you've seen it. Really, really adore that.